Hey guys, it's Paul with SSTubes, driven by fine lines. Today we have a new product from G-Force Performance. Now this product's going to be for 15 to 25, both S550 and S650 Mustangs. This is really going to help the wheel hop these cars get. We're going to go ahead and show you how easy it is to install. Now that we got all 4 cradle bolts loose, we're going to go ahead and throw on the bushing spacers. Now there's 2 different sizes. There's a fatter one and a skinnier one. The fatter one's always going to go on the front 2. The skinnier one's going to go on the rears. Now that we got the bushing installed, we're going to go ahead and replace the old brace with the new one supplied in the kit. Now that we got the rear bushing installed, we're going to go ahead and reinstall the factory bolt as well as the new washer supplied with the kit. Now that we got both bushings installed on this side as well as the new brace, you're going to go ahead and leave out these 2 bolts until we finish the other side. Remember to leave these loose for now, that way there's adjustment for putting in the other bushings on the opposite side. We're going to go ahead and slap those in now. Now that we got all 4 bushings installed with the new braces, we're going to go ahead and just snug them down for now and then torque all 4 to 129 foot-pounds. Alright guys, and that was the install of the G-Performance Products Mustang Rear Cradle Lockout Kit. Super easy to install as you saw. It's now available on our website at SSTubes.com. We'll see you next time.
Get the 2015-2025 G-Force Performance Ford Mustang Rear Cradle Lockout Kit today at SSTubes.com.